In this section, I will show you how you can find VR apps, games, and videos, which are the most popular, and how you can enjoy almost any content in VR mode. There are literally hundreds of VR applications available right now in Google Play for Android phones and in Apple App Store for the iPhone users. Some of them cost a few dollars to download them to your phone, but most are completely free. Riding roller coasters, walking inside haunted houses, flying as a bird, exploring underwater worlds, seeing exotic places like you are actually there are some of the amazing experiences VR can offer to you right now. And all of these can be experienced in the comfort of your own home, and not only. Imagine waiting for a flight or taking a long bus trip. Using VR this time can be fun, exciting, educating, thrilling, or anything you want, depending on the VR app you're using at the moment.